I'm Justin Washburn. I'm the project architect at Architrave. We're the project architects for this project.
And my name is Robbie Hendricks. I'm the owner and operator with my wife, Karen Yip, with Yip Premier Real Estate, working in conjunction with Cone Construction on the construction aspect of the building. When we saw this building and first came about it, the boat trusses probably were the first thing I saw, and that's what I originally saw for our business. They had the exposed ductwork, the high ceilings.
This building had a lot of challenges and advantages in the sense that it was virtually a blank slate. The block walls and bowstring trusses removed a lot of complications to the building, but it also put us in a position where we had to think very creatively about how to lay out the interior and how to use the space and how to work with the existing fenestration. The area that we're in now, as we were trying to level the floor, we just realized that the entire foundation in this quarter of the building was basically eroding away. So we had to rebuild the foundation and rebuild the slab to stabilize this corner and keep it from falling off into the street.
What we did is we actually poured the concrete around the building level, and then we worked off of that and poured the concrete around the perimeter level, and then brought the slab to that point, and that gave us a nice clean level pad.
We identified this front center opening here as being something that we could reopen, so we just were able to take down the block that was infilling it, and then it kind of opened up this opportunity to create this outside patio. The street is about 5 or 6 feet below the floor level of this building. Extending the slab out and creating this exterior patio that we have allows the building to reach out and kind of grab that pedestrian and bring them into the space. So when we started space planning this space, we had the block exterior walls and the bowstring trusses, which meant we had no need for any structural walls in the interior. And we knew we wanted to create these 2 conference rooms that could be interconnected as one. The use of these modern glass partition walls allows this space to function as one space. Cottontown's a great neighborhood. The commercial area around here has started to see redevelopment, whether it's a new structure on a vacant lot or an old structure that's being rehabilitated. It adds to that character of the neighborhood.
We're actually ecstatic, honestly, that we are a part of Cottontown. It's a great neighborhood. I've been around this neighborhood for years. I do feel like the gratification that you get from doing an old building, turning something old and run down into something special is pretty awesome.